Today I show you how to install Roblox on your MacBook Air M5, MacBook Pro, or any Mac really. So you go to roblox.com and you don't really have an option to install on Mac, and there is an option to open in the app, and still there is nothing there. Even if I switch to iPhones and iPad apps, I still don't see it. And yeah, it seems like there is no option to install Roblox on Mac, but actually there is a way to install Roblox on Mac. I don't know why it's not easy. I think this should be much easier. First, I will log in to my account on roblox.com on the website, and then go to downloads here. So you see there is the option download for Mac. It also has instructions on how to actually do the installation. So you download the roblox.dmg file. This is the installation image. Then you open the DMG file, the installation file, and you simply double click on the Roblox icon and you follow the steps. Now Roblox is going to install, is going to set up everything, and if there is a pop-up that's asking for permissions, you might want to allow it. I'm not sure if you don't allow it, if it's still gonna work. So here I have the Roblox running on my MacBook Air M5, and I simply have to sign in. You can delete, you can move the DMG file to trash. You don't really need it anymore. And I can also unmount the Roblox player installer. And after signing in, and I choose to switch to dark mode, I didn't let you see the bright light mode. And now I'm actually playing on the MacBook Air M5. I'm playing Roblox Rivals with the trackpad. It's not ideal. So yeah, you can use the mouse and the keyboard. You can use the Mac as a desktop computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.